Alright, so I bought the cheapest fake Yeezy Crocs I could find, and this is what I got. These are come in a premium package, as you can see. Holy crap. Huh. Let's go ahead and get in the video. Before we get into the video, I wanted to mention that Reshoevn8r is having their biggest sale of the entire year. This is the 10-year anniversary of Reshoevn8r, 35% off site-wide. They have a bunch of really good deals. You could get the signature cleaning kit that I used to clean the Ultra Boost recently for $32.50 shipped. That's the final price, so that's a great deal, usually $50. It's an amazing price for the product that you get, and in my opinion, it's the best system that you can use for your sneakers, hands down. They also have the water repellent spray for under 12 bucks, along with a bottle of the sneaker cleaning solution if you're out of the cleaner itself. Or you can get the essential kit with the 3 brushes, the soap, and a microfiber towel for under $23. If you guys do shop on their site, please use my code heskicks35. It gives me credit with the company, lets them know that you guys made the purchase from myself. And so it does help me out when you guys do use my affiliate code. So thank you to anybody that actually uses that. Drop a comment in the comment section if you end up buying something from this sale. Again, it's the best sale of the year. And considering they rebranded last year, this is the first time we've seen a sale like this. So definitely recommend this for yourself, but it also makes a really good sneaker gift for your friends and family. And the sale ends actually very late on the day on Saturday evening on 8/8. I will not be posting where to buy these though, just because I don't really perpetuate the links of where to buy the fake sneakers out there. But I like to be able to do these type of videos for you guys' sake, as well as for mine, just to be able to see what the market is like out there nowadays. And honestly, if you don't stay educated, you're going to get stung. Somebody will sell you something that you don't really realize is fake, and you could be rocking something that's fake this entire time and not know it. So it's important to do your research out there and buy from trusted sellers, and just know that there's people out there that are trying to scam you and sell you this knockoff pair of Yeezy foam runners for $70 or something like that, even though they got these for $35. So to take you back, I actually did a review of the Yeezy foam runners already, and I sold my pair. I sold it for $300 on StockX. Took a couple weeks to clear because StockX has been really slow, obviously due to these times right now. But finally got my money cleared, and I sold my pair, and I forgot that I actually had a fake pair coming to do a comparison real to fake. So I apologize, I don't have the real pair in hand. I just have my memory of what was to what I have here. And so these were $35, and I believe the real pair is like $70 or $75 if I remember right. Anyway, this is pretty crazy because it looks pretty similar. Now this is a unique shoe because it's completely foam shoe, bottom and top, and it's pretty much the same way as the official pair, where you can see there's a segregation between the midsole and the upper, and that's pretty much it. It's like a two-piece pair of sneakers that creates a one-piece look. And it's the same on the fake and on the real pair. There are some differences on the fake ones and on the real ones though, and I'm sure that they're going to have better versions of the fake ones out there, so buyer beware for those looking. I took the opportunity and sold mine. I do want a pair back, however. I just am going to wait for other colorways to come out. Honestly, the white colorway, I'm like, this is going to get just destroyed. I'd rather have a darker colorway anyway, so I might as well take the money from the profits and then buy the next one, hopefully, if I can get them at retail whenever they drop. And I'm hoping Adidas actually mass produces these things. I know they're ugly. I know people aren't going to like them. I know they're going to sell out every single time they drop them because they are interesting for people, and sneaker people like us want to see something different and try them on and feel them out and see how they are. And I had the opportunity to do that at retail. Totally worth it, and like, I'm excited to get the next one. That being said, there's fakes out there like these, and this is actually a pretty good fake for $35. Like, honestly, it's pretty shocking. Now, there's a couple major differences that I can notice. I mean, the ventilation holes on the sides and everything all look like it has the same proper placement. The weird bulbous little section on the top right here that sticks out, and this is like really thick from the top of your foot to how it protrudes up. Even the shape, like overall, the opening looks like they're using the same molds as what Adidas is using. I wish I had the real pair side by side to compare, but the soles look pretty similar as well, how it mimics that Yeezy 700 like look to the bottom. The inside has like little bumps on it and everything on the bottom as well. So all in all, like it looks and feels almost like it. It has a really interesting smell on these things though. Like it reminds me when I'm in Hawaii or on vacation somewhere and I go into like a Walgreens or something and I find the local sandal area. Like it smells like that cheap, weird, like rubbery plastic material that those cheaper sandals are made from that it costs like $10 or $15. So that's kind of a dead ringer that it's off, which is normally the case when you buy replicas. There are just a lot of weird smells to them just because of the glues and the materials that they use are not usually one-to-one to the official pairs, at least with my experience. The major differences between these and the real ones. One, the molds on the side and the little vents in the back, the little small ones, you could see that it didn't really clearly like go through all the way. So there's a little bit of like material that's like over dripping in the middle. So that's a dead giveaway that it's off right there. The biggest one though of all is there's an Adidas logo on the heel of the shoe, and there is no Adidas logo on the heel of the official pair that released. So that was the one thing I definitely noticed. Also, there's no Adidas logo on the bottom of the shoe. The official ones have an Adidas logo on the bottom. These ones do not have that logo. So obviously, again, something where it shows fake. The real ones and the fake ones don't have any Yeezy branding. So that was something that I found interesting. They are Yeezys, but they don't have Yeezy branding. On the side of the shoe, it does say foam runner with the size and made in China. I can't remember specifically the exact words that the original pair had. If you guys do have a real pair, and if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section what your pair actually says on the inside of the shoe, that'd be helpful. This does say 43 for the size, so I believe that's the size 9 or 10 US. Overall fit and feel, honestly, it feels kind of like a Croc. It feels kind of like a Yeezy foam runner on feet just because of the opening, and just the experience does pretty much mimic the real thing. For me, I noticed the foam on these just felt a little bit more firm, not as soft and squishy as on the authentic pair. So that's definitely something just, I guess, to take away. It just feels, again, like it's made cheaply. So to me, it smells like it's made cheaply, and it doesn't have the same comfort as the original one. That being said, it's not uncomfortable. It's just not that wow factor that I remember when I tried on the actual official pair. But these are pretty crazy, and they have a bazillion different colors of these that I've seen online of these fake foam runners. So buyer beware out there. Make sure you're not buying a fake pair if you're trying to buy a real one. Ultimately, I'm actually pretty impressed with the product. I mean, for 35 bucks, I believe that was a shipped price. Not too terrible. It really does kind of feel and mimic the real thing, but however, you just got to know it's a replica. It's not a real thing. This is like the same thing as buying like a fake Coach purse and stuff. If you can't buy the real thing because they're gone or they're too expensive, like if you don't want to pay $300 for these and you'd rather pay $36, I mean, I get it, just to try it out. It's just not a one-for-one. You just got to realize that it is a replica. And I can't stress this enough. I'm not going to post where to buy these. If you guys want to do that research and find, you can do that. It's really easy to do on the interwebs. I personally don't post them in my description of my videos. All the stuff that I post down there is to legitimate stores and stuff. If you slide into my DMs and ask me where I bought my fakes, I'm not going to tell you because I'm keeping that same energy. I did want to clarify that. Also, for those people on Instagram, I do appreciate those that have flagged that one dude, Andy Locust or whatever, who's using my logo Heskicks and selling fake products under the name Heskick instead of Heskicks with an S at the end. Like, people are literally getting it confused with myself, and it's so frustrating. I've been trying to get him shut down, so if you guys want to flag his account, feel free to do so. But yeah, shame on that dude for like using my name to sell fakes. Like, it's really, really frustrating and annoying that that's happening, but it is what it is. Anyway, these are pretty interesting. I'm actually more excited to get another real pair. I could see why these are lucrative to buyers out there just because, again, that price point from what you get on these. Anyway, that's all we have for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified of when my videos are posted. And buyer beware out there. Stay clear of these on the open market on your Facebook groups. And look out for those subtle differences, I guess. And as they correct these things, I mean, sheesh, this is going to be really tough for you to buy a real versus fake pair. Although the packaging from this one definitely was pretty bad. Anyway, have a good one. We'll see you guys hopefully for some more videos soon. Peace, guys. you.